Speaking of sky trains, everyone must have thought that was a setting that would only appear in the movie. But in fact China since 2011. They are in Qingdao, Chengdu, Kaifeng and Hubei in China. For air train test lines were built. In 2021, the world's first maglev SkyTrain will be built. So what does a real-life Skytran look like? What's different? Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more about what's happening in the world, don't hesitate to click to subscribe to our channel. I believe my videos won't let you down. Actually, the so-called SkyTrain has a technical term. That's a suspended monorail or an empty rail train. To put it bluntly, this kind of train has only one aerial rail beam. It is supported in the air by steel or cement columns. The train runs just below this track, although it seems to be an emerging technology. But in fact it has a history of hundreds of years. Late 19th century, the industrialization of the German city of Wuppertal peaked. At the same time, the population grew to 400,000, and there is a continuing growth trend. Unprecedented traffic pressures are forcing the city of Wuppertal must be built. New public transport system to alleviate ground traffic pressure. The German engineers turned their attention to the air. In 1893, the German Eugen Langen invented the suspended monorail transit. By 1901 it was built in Wuppertal, the world's first suspension monorail with a length of 13.3 kilometers. The railway has survived 2 world wars and various accidents. But since its completion, this empty SkyTrain operations have rarely been stopped. Compared to the traditional double-track trains on the ground, since the track is built in the air, so during construction, it avoids a lot of demolition problems, reduce the pollution caused by trains during construction. At the same time, it can also shorten the construction cycle and construction costs, since the wheels of the empty rail are operated in a closed environment. So even if you encounter heavy snow, freezing and other bad weather, the empty rail can still operate normally. Seeing this, there must be someone who wants to ask, the empty orbit is so good, so is it safe or not? In fact, there is no need to worry about this. The empty rail system uses an automatic train control (ATC) system. It eliminates human error, so as to achieve high efficiency and energy saving on time throughout the process. It was also installed on the train positioning system developed by Siemens AG, and automatic train protection (ATP) subsystems. The former at any time, under any circumstances, all can maintain a train positioning accuracy of 3 centimeters. The latter can avoid accidents such as train speeding and collision due to speeding, and then collision. So it's safe to say that empty rail trains. China wants to alleviate traffic congestion. In 2011, China introduced air rail train manufacturing technology from Germany. Since then, they have been in Qingdao, Chengdu, Kaifeng and Hubei. For aerial orbital test lines were built. Later, it is innovated by integrating different types of train technology with each other. In 2021, the world's first maglev air rail train will be built, named Xinghua, according to the relevant person in charge of the 6th Hospital of China Railway. The Xinghua Permanent Magnetic Levitation Technology Engineering Demonstration Line has a total length of 878 meters. It is grouped for 2 vehicles and has a fixed number of 88 people. Designed for a maximum operating speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Autonomous driving is possible. From the outside, there are a total of 56 5-pointed stars on either side of the head of the train, represented the founding generals of the 56 republics. Because the Xinghua reflects the red cultural genes of the famous General County, so it is known as the Red Track. Of course, the most noteworthy thing is its powerful features. Compared to conventional wheeled air rail trains, permanent magnetocars do not have to rely on rubber wheels to travel. Instead, it relies on permanent magnets to repel the orbit. This keeps the groove line in suspension. The result is zero friction operation of electromagnetic guidance. That's why, in addition to the advantages of traditional empty rail trains, the Xinghua it also has the characteristics of energy saving and environmental protection, low noise and so on. As the first application demonstration of permanent magnet suspension technology in China, the project is both innovative, challenging and exemplary. It progresses smoothly. It is of great significance for the development of China's Jiangxi rare earth permanent magnet industry chain and red tourism economy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to click and subscribe to our channel with your lovely finger. Let us know more important things happening in China together. See you in the next issue.